Is your Maytag washer stuck on spin, rinse, or another cycle? You're not alone. This problem commonly affects Maytag Centennial, Bravos, and MVWC series models 2010 to 2020. The root cause often lies in the electronic control board (ECB) or the selector switch. We'll guide you through troubleshooting. First, try a simple control board reset. Unplug your washer from the power outlet for 1-2 minutes. This allows the capacitors to discharge and clears temporary glitches. Plug it back in and select a new cycle. This soft reset often resolves software-related lockups without data loss. If the control board reset doesn't resolve the stuck setting issue, the problem likely lies with the selector switch. This mechanical component is responsible for sending electrical signals to the electronic control board, telling it which cycle to run. Over time, normal wear, exposure to moisture, or accumulation of debris can cause the switch to fail, preventing proper signal transmission. The selector switch can fail due to several factors: mechanical wear from repeated use, moisture infiltration that causes corrosion, or debris buildup around the contacts can all disrupt the switch's ability to make proper electrical connections. To diagnose the issue, first perform a visual inspection. Look for obvious signs of damage, such as cracked plastic, corroded metal contacts, or loose connections on the selector switch assembly. For a more definitive test, use a multimeter to check continuity. This involves measuring whether electricity can flow through the switch contacts when in different positions. A lack of continuity indicates the switch needs replacement. Proper inspection and testing of the selector switch can identify whether this component is causing the stuck cycle problem, guiding you toward the appropriate repair solution. Replacing a faulty selector switch requires careful disassembly. First, disconnect the power by unplugging the washer to ensure safety. Next, carefully remove the control panel using a screwdriver to access the internal components. Locate the selector switch, which is typically a rotary switch with multiple wires attached. Disconnect the wiring from the switch, carefully noting the positions of each wire for proper reconnection. Install the new selector switch, ensuring it's properly aligned and all connections are secure. Reassemble the control panel, securing it with screws and ensuring everything is properly aligned. Finally, test the washer by plugging it in and running a complete cycle to verify the switch works correctly. If you're not comfortable performing these steps, consult a professional technician to avoid damage or safety issues. Electrical surges, power outages, or overloaded circuits can corrupt the electronic control board firmware, leading to stuck settings. To prevent these issues, use a surge protector and perform regular maintenance like cleaning lint filters and ensuring a stable power supply. According to repair data, 70% of stuck settings relate to electronic control board errors. If the problem persists after attempting these fixes, it indicates a deeper issue. Contact a qualified appliance repair technician. If your washer is under warranty, avoid DIY repairs that could void it. Professional service ensures safety and maintains coverage. Maytag has issued recalls for specific models, such as MVWC 416FW0, due to ECB defects. Free replacements are available through 2026. Modern Maytag washers feature Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling remote diagnostics and troubleshooting through the Maytag app. This allows users to perform digital resets and check washer status without physical access to the machine. Future trends include AI-driven predictive maintenance, which analyzes washer usage patterns to identify potential issues before they occur. This technology could preempt stuck settings and other malfunctions, reducing repair needs and improving reliability. Always disconnect power before working on your washer to avoid electric shock. Unplug the machine or turn off the circuit breaker. Start troubleshooting with a control board reset. Unplug the washer for 1 to 2 minutes to discharge capacitors, then plug it back in and select a new cycle. This clears temporary glitches affecting about 70% of stuck setting cases. If the reset doesn't work, inspect the selector switch. This mechanical component can fail due to wear or moisture. Test with a multimeter for continuity and replace if faulty. For persistent issues, seek professional help. Many problems stem from electronic control board defects, and improper DIY can void warranties. Check for recalls like the MVWC 4 and 6 FW0 model. Prevent future problems with proper maintenance. Clean lint filters, ensure stable power supply, and use surge protection. Regular care can reduce repair needs by up to 25%.